supplementary materials as well. This is a course description, and I will show you the marks distribution for this course. Yeah. See, this tutorial weightage is 10 marks. So how this 10 marks will be given? I will be conducting 5 quizzes. So each quiz carries 2 marks. So 5 into 2, it will be overall of 10 marks. Okay. Now I'll show you the schedule for quizzes, when these quizzes will be scheduled. See, this is a schedule that first quiz will be scheduled in 6th week. Okay, then all the topics from week 1 to 6 will be in quiz 2. Then quiz 3 will be in 8th week. All the topics from week 1 to 8, but more priority from week 6 to 8 will be given here. Similarly, you have next quiz on week 9, fourth quiz on week 11, and the last quiz on week 12. Okay, so this is how we have distributed the quizzes across the semester, and each quiz will be conducted in this particular week. So make sure that you watch announcements and make sure that you complete the quizzes, okay, on time. Another thing is, for communication purpose, you can use Blackboard course messages for any questions if you have. And please don't use WhatsApp or email. The better way of communication is through Blackboard. You have any questions, you can ask me through by sending course messages, and I will reply you if you have any doubts. And in online classes, if you have any questions, there will be a one-to-one discussion, no problem. I welcome your doubts, everything. Okay. So this is how I want to give you just a brief introduction about this course. Let me also show you what are the topics which we are going to cover in software engineering. This is of interest. So I think this is software engineering. Yeah. For the topics we are going to cover are this. Yeah, this is the tutorial part. I'll be covering, activity diagram, an ER diagram, sequence diagram, use case, state transition diagram, class diagrams, and all. I will not be taking function point analysis. We will see, okay, because this activity diagram will take one extra week, and ER diagram will also take an extra week. Okay. So function points will try to we may not cover in online classes, but we will take all these mm, other diagrams in software engineering. Okay. So if you have any questions, please ask me, or you can message me through Blackboard course messages. Make sure that you're communicating with Blackboard course messages only. I request all of you not to use WhatsApp or email. Okay. So let's see next week. Hope you have understood. If you have any questions, you can send me a message. Thank you, and let us meet next week.